Hi, welcome back to the light. In this lesson, I'm going to talk about a couple of things that are important for installation. Whether you are using a Mac or a PC, there are a couple of differences. I've put together a document below that you can download that highlights the key differences between a Mac and a PC. I've personally installed the software on a Mac and a PC. They are pretty straightforward. The main difference is this. On Windows, the installation is browser-based, so it's going to depend whether you use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whatever browser you're using with your Windows software. And on the Mac, it's a little bit different where you bypass Apple's built-in security. And there's also a plan to install fonts used in the software, which is not the Windows experience. Both versions have an installer file that's about 300 megabytes in size, and this is equivalent to streaming anywhere from 5 to 12 minutes on Netflix, Hulu, etc. So, depending on your internet speed, this could take anywhere from 30 seconds to a few minutes to download. Also, remember the download link that you receive by email from Parashara's Light has an expiration date. It's 1 month for Windows and 2 weeks for a Mac. And it's always a good idea to look at the licensing agreement that's included in your download. And once you're done, you are ready to go to create your first chart and start using the software.